game 2 for BYBL, Bombers versus Firecrackers. Uh-oh. Home.
Play ball. And for the first pitch, it is way outside. Strike. That looked like it almost hit him. 5-1. And that's a walk. Yeah, that's a 6-0. 1-1. And that one's gone.
First home run.
And after the home run, it is 3-0. Bombers trying to end this half inning. And that is a single. Man on first. 1 out. 1-0 the pitch. And that one's double. Or triple. 4-0. 0-0 count. And that's a strike. And it falls over. 4-0 and 0-0 count. That pitch did not count because the strike zone fell on Antonio. And that's a ball outside. .3-0. And that's a strike. 5-1. And another walk. And that's a strike. And that was a strike. End of the first. Start of the bottom of the first inning. 0-0 count. And that's 1-0. Trying to get on track. And that's a ball low. 2-0. After the single, here's the pitch. And that is high. Looks like Aiden wanted that one.
Oh my God.
Oh. I thought that went way farther. 0-0 count, 1 out, man on first. And that's a strike. Looking for a strike here. And the tripod goes down. 5-1 in the pitch. And that's a strike, full count. Oh, and that's a man on first and second with 1 out. 0-1. 4-1. And that's a single. 2-0 count for the pitch. That one looked meaty, but it's a pop-up and he catches it. That ends the inning. 4-0. And for the first pitch of the second inning, it's fouled off. 0-1 off the foul. Tripod had another little accident there. And that's a ball outside. .52. Full count. Keeping the count alive. That's a single. Man on first, no outs. That's a pop-up, and he grabs it. 2-0. And he gets out of that half inning quickly. Might have a chance to make the comeback. Bottom of the second.
Oh my God.
And that one's popped up, and he misses it. That is 1-0. Man on first. That's a strike. 1-1. And that's a foul. 1-2. 2-2. And that's a strikeout. 1 out, man on first. 5-0. And he's batting righty. And that's a walk. Man on first and second. Man on first and second, 1 out. And that's a single. Just couldn't get it. For 2. This is the final inning, no mercy. And that's a ball low. 1-0. And that was a nasty strike. 1-1. He hits that one foul. 1-2. 1-2 count, and the pitch is a single. And that's their first out of the inning. And that's another single, man on first and second. And that's a strike, ending the half inning. Bottom third. Aiden needs 4 to make it extra innings and 5 to win. That one was a ball. 1-0. Out inside. 2-0.
Drop.
And that one drops foul. And that is foul. 5-2, full count. Full count. And that's outside. And, oh, that one's ripped for a single. First and second, no outs, 4-1 count. And that's a homer. All the way back there. 5-0 and a walk. Three, 2 still. Four, 2. 4-2. 5-2. Full count. Oh, and that's a strikeout. I missed it, and that was a walk. And that's a strike. 0-1. 3-1 for the pitch. 4-1. And that one goes foul. 4-2 And the pitch is high, full count. Oh, and Antonio ends it with a nasty pitch. Aiden, how do you feel about the loss today against the Firecrackers?
Well, I don't think I've ever lost a first game for me. So, man, Antonio's going to be tough competition. But I did not play my best today. I could not hit. We need a new bat because there's cracks everywhere on it. So, yeah, that's it.
Antonio, how do you feel about winning the first game of the season just like I did?
I mean, it felt really good because, I did not, coming into this game, I did not think I would beat Aiden because he's, a really good competition. It's going to be a fun year, and that was a really fun game because it was very close, and my Vulcan change is back.